Imagine a world where creativity knows no bounds, where technology and artistry merge to create something truly unique. Welcome to the world of 3D printed jewelry. In this realm of innovation and precision, the Creality Ender 5 Pro 3D printer stands as a beacon of change, transforming raw materials into exquisite pieces of wearable art. The selection of the material is the first step in this transformative journey. Each filament, be it ABS, PLA, PETG, or nylon, possesses unique qualities, offering a range of options, whether it's durability, flexibility, or a distinct aesthetic that's sought after. The journey continues with the design. Every great piece starts with an idea, a concept that the Creality Ender 5 Pro brings to life with unparalleled detail, thanks to its precision and compatibility with a wide array of materials. The magic truly unfolds during the printing process. This is where the marriage of creativity and technology takes place. The Ender 5 Pro's stable printing environment and advanced features ensure that every piece that comes out is nothing short of perfect. But the journey doesn't end at printing. Like a diamond that needs polishing, each 3D printed piece undergoes careful post-processing. It's cleaned, sanded, and polished, revealing its final stunning form. Now imagine a world where you could explore these endless possibilities of 3D printed jewelry. Devil and Dove Jewelers extends this invitation to you. Join us on this innovative journey where technology and artistry collide to create the extraordinary. Discover more about the world of 3D printed jewelry at Devil and Dove Jewelers, where innovation meets elegance.